Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Look what we just got off our tree at the backyard. Right here at the backyard, Simple Life, 3 lovely breadfruits. So now we're gonna take out the hearts and let them drain and get them ready for roasting or for steaming. And I just want to show you here, this is some callaloo and some tuna that I have planted, and I'm just letting them catch, and then I'm gonna transplant the tuna to the farm. And another thing here I have is the red water grass. I don't know how much of you are familiar with the red water grass. I just planted it, you know, not even a week, and it already catch. So now I'm gonna bring this to the farm now also, because this is a very, very good plant. It is good for hypertension, it's good for cold, good for diabetes, it's good for swelling. It's an amazing plant, and it grows so, you know, prevalent. So it is truly a blessing. And when you boil it, it's like it's purple. I love the color of it when you boil it, because it looks just like the tea looks just like how it is looking here. So if you're in Jamaica, look up the red water grass. Very, very effective for many different ailments. And I have this little orange tree here, and it was suffering, so I transplanted it to here. So now I'm gonna see how it's doing. And you know, Simple Life, the dirt that I'm using here is the compost that I made in the previous video that I showed you, that I used the banana and the banana skins and the kitchen banana skin and the kitchen the peelings, like the onion skin, like the callaloo barks, whatever it is that you have in the kitchen. Instead of throwing them away, have a little a compost bin, so that you can throw all your scraps inside of it. And all they do, and I do some cow dung, and all they do is they break down and turn into dirt. And this is it. Let me show you some that I have here in a wheelbarrow that is not broken down as yet. So what do I have here? I have I have even yam peel. I use the cucumber. I have cucumber peel. I have watermelon. I have the peeling from the cassava, the coconut trash. This is some apples that weren't right. They're in there too. There's some sweet potato skins. Did I mention ripe plantain skin? There are any little thing, you know, you peel the onion, like I said, the scraps from the tomato, whatever it is in the kitchen. Even look what is in here now, a mango peel, mango seed. But I'm not throwing it out, because next thing you know, you see a little mango tree coming up when everything is broken down and turned into dirt. So this is all that you see here. Simple Life is what is used to break down, and then I use it. It becomes my dirt, and then I use it over here now to as dirt to plant to sow my seeds. Something else I want to bring you over here and show you. This is also the compost that I make, and you see this is some more tomatoes that I sow over here. And I see, this is another thing coming up. I'm not even sure what this is right now, but this is what happened when you put your kitchen scraps. You see things coming up that you didn't even plant, that you do not know, but it's the seeds from what you plant. Those are the things that pop up. It's like you get one of them surprise box, that is the joy and the beauty of making your own compost, making your own dirt. It's like a miracle to a farmer, because it's richer and it's better than, say, if I was to dig up that dirt and use it, there's no life as much as this. The richness, look at this, look at this Simple Life. And all this is the compost that I make. There's still things in there that are not broken down as yet, but they will break down by and by. So I just want to come on here and show you this video and talk to you about a little this and that I have, and about my red water grass, and every little thing that I can find I try to plant, because it's such a blessing and such a joy to see the things them coming up. Even, what's this? I think this is sorosy. Yeah, sorosy. So you know, I pick this, I put it down, it quail, and when I want some sorosy tea, I have sorosy to drink. So Simple Life, thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. God bless.